Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage geographical data in Meteodyn WT products. So when entering the WT products in the site, and the geographical data and roughness and orography are used and selected among the ones available in the database. To manage this database, there is a specific module, which is the geographical data module accessible on the top and allows to manage all the data. All the imported data are displayed on the list on the left and can be seen on the map on the right. In addition, Meteodyn provides public data covering the whole planet. So 3 of them are orography data and 7 roughness maps with different resolutions and year. So for each imported data, it is possible to update the projection, to export the file contained in the data, and also to focus on the location to see what the data is covering. To add a new geographical data, simply click on the plus button and select a file. So here I'm going to add an orography data. Then fill the name, so it is by default the name of the file, but it can be modified, and then select the nature. Then add associate projection to the data and click on apply, and the data will be added in the database. We're going to do the same for the roughness data. So select a file. So the formats that are supported are the TIFF format, the map format, the shape format are also supported. For the vectorial formats, such as the shape and the map, it is important that the data is cleaned so that no useless artifacts are contained and also no intersection between lines. In fact, the process of the computation of the slope is a triangulation, and so it is important that the data is clean. So I'm adding the projection and adding the roughness data to the database. For the T format, it is the one that we recommend. It gives the best performance, and it is the only format that allows the superposition of several maps during the configuration of a site. Sometimes the T format can either give values of the roughness directly or the canopy height. When it's the canopy height, process will be done to convert to the roughness value. And sometimes it is an index or colors. In that case, it is important to add a correspondence file. So to do so, click on the roughness correspondence tab and add a correspondence file. Then give a name to this file and then select the data associated. And then for each color or each index, you can add a roughness value. So here I selected the green, but there is also an option to import all the colors of the map, and then all the colors can be associated to a roughness value. So I'm not going to fill every color, but I can show you an example. And here all the colors are associated to a roughness value. So now the geographical data have been imported. Then back to the configuration of a site. So when I add an orography, I have displayed all the orography available in the database. It is possible to filter with only the orography defining the radius, and then simply add the data. Same for the roughness, where the forest density can be associated, and when choosing RGB or indexed correspondence file can be associated. So now you've seen how to manage the geographical data in Meteodyn WT. For more information or details, the geographical data user manual is available and contains all the information you would need. Thank you for your attention.